In this tutorial, we will estimate the lifetime of a star that is more massive than the Sun. So in this case, we want the lifetime estimate for a star that has a spectral type of 06. And the order of stars, they're given letter designations, and they go from O, B, A, F, G, K, M. Our Sun is a G star, and the star that we'll be investigating in this problem is an O star. And mass goes this way. So this will be a star that is more massive than the Sun. So the way we estimate the lifetime of a star, so the lifetime we'll call a T star. That's given by the mass of the star divided by the luminosity of the star, and this can be approximated by understanding that the luminosity of the star scales with the mass, and it scales with the mass of the star to the 3/2 power, 3.5. And so then in total, the lifetime of the star will scale as 1 over the mass of the star to the 2.5 power. And it's important to keep in mind the units of these values. And so all of these units are in solar units. So everything is compared to our own Sun. So for an 06 star, the mass is approximately 40 times the mass of the Sun. So we can go ahead then and use the lifetime expression. So the lifetime of the star will be given by 1 over the mass of the star to the 2.5 power, and for the case of the 06 star, this will be 1 over 40 to the 2.5, and that gives us a value of 9.9 times 10 to the minus 5. And remember that these are in units of the solar lifetime, not in years. So now there's a value that we need, which is the lifetime of the Sun. So the lifetime of the Sun is approximately 11 gigayears. And that can be written in scientific notation as 11 times 10 to the 9 years. This is that solar lifetime that we need for our conversion into years for the 06 star. So now we can take the value that we had in solar units. So the lifetime of the star is now given by 9.9 times 10 to the minus 5. That value we calculated in solar units, and now we multiply it by the lifetime of the Sun, 11 times 10 to the 9 years. So we take the lifetime of the Sun, and we multiply it by this scaled value that we calculated earlier. And what we're left with is that the lifetime of the 06 star in years is this product, 1.1 times 10 to the 6 years, or equivalently 1.1 million years. And so this is much shorter than the lifetime of the Sun. So even though the Sun has a much lower mass, remember it's 40 times lower mass than the 06 star, this much more massive star will have a much shorter lifetime. All right, so that's our calculation for the estimate of the age or the lifetime of an O6 star.